Bonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, your girl Tirelo is basically deciding to stick by her man during these difficult, trying times. Now she posted this cute picture of her and Umpumelelo, and she played the song by Questa and Tapsi that angazifela ngawe that ngifela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. So ugirl anyway, we know that Umpumelelo has been going through the most. According to his post, it is just a post of a person okowayo, you guys. So I guess she's deciding to hold her man down, and go out and have cute vibes with her man. I hope they're enjoying one another's relationship. I mean, Umpumelelo during this testing and trying times, he needs her at this point. I must though commend her, for sticking with her man, regardless of the riots of social media, because at the moment, Umpumelelo is not people's favorite person. But yeah, girl is like, listen, I don't care what you guys are saying. I'm still gonna post my man regardless of what you guys are saying. I'm gonna post him. I'm gonna enjoy my relationship, and I'm just gonna enjoy my time with him. I get guys, over to you, gay. Tirelo, like, make the best out of it. We love it for you. Enjoy it, guys. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.